Welcome to the 10th Power Gen Middle East, and for the first time, the co-located Water World Middle East, held once again in Doha in the fabulous Qatar National Convention Center, with its huge expanse, modern facilities, and very distinctive design. In this news report, we'll be showcasing some of the new technologies presented at the show, including innovations in concentrated solar power mirrors, small module nuclear reactors, and new turbine generators and control systems.
This unit was launched in November officially. I had the first customer have signed the contract, so it's a brand new product. Obviously, uptime was one of the most important part of the design criteria for a new machine. Performance, green technology, all this comes as well as part of the request from the customer. Based on that, we have used the latest 3D technology, enhancing the design features and actually checking pre-design that we actually can do routine maintenance. That has made it possible to actually have a service concept that only brings down the machine 17 days for 17 years.
We are presented a new technology for motor control center withdrawable modular system for low voltage distribution that is based on German license for the transfer of the energy. The contact on the bars is something quite new, launched last year by IDS Germany, and the MCC you see here is our concept using their technology. So it's quite, we consider, revolutionary technology that will compete with the big guys in the market. We manufacture this type tested with the components inside of all the biggest producers in the world.
Produsul inovativ pe care cred eu că îl reprezintă în momentul de față firma Actel se referă la înlocuirea echipamentelor din construcția platformelor de foraj marin și terestre cu motoare de curent continuu, cu echipamente cu motoare de curent alternativ. În acest fel, economiile de energie sunt de circa 31%. Noi le-am cuantificat pe diverse aplicații, ceea ce asigură o amortizare a echipamentelor livrate de Actel de circa 6-12 luni. În acest fel, putem să vă spunem că după un an de zile, practic, puteți face economii importante atât de motorină cât și de energie electrică.
The key design aspect of this plant is operational flexibility. For that reason, it has the name of Flex Efficiency 50. It features an advanced 9FP gas turbine, a liquid-cooled generator, and a 3-casing designed steam turbine. This plant is rated at a baseload power output at ISO conditions around 510 megawatts. The gas turbine itself is a 340 megawatt gas turbine, and the steam turbine around 180. The plant, as I said, can be used also as an integrated thermal solar cycle and integrated renewable cycle. The efficiency rating at baseload is 61%, and then it has a very good lapse rate, so the efficiency doesn't drop off at part load very much.
There are a lot of innovations. The one we are the most proudest of is what we have in coordination with a company called Novatec in Germany. It's a new technology for concentrated solar power called Fresnel technology, which we will apply especially in the Middle East markets and in Africa. And it will be much cheaper, specifically per generated kilowatt hour, much simpler, and with much better efficiency than conventional CSP technologies. The most important difference is the type of the mirrors we are using. It's type of flat mirrors, which is very much cheaper to be produced than these huge parabolic through mirrors, which are usually on the market. So it's an easier installation, it's much lighter regarding the weight on the structures. So in fact, the complete construction is much easier than conventional installations.
Small modular reactors is the future of power generation globally. It used the standard light water reactor design, which uses the normal low enrichment uranium in a 17 by 17 fuel assembly array. This is proven technology. It's been around for 50 years. The advantage of Generation Empower is that they brought this design into a compact one module design, which is built and assembled in a factory and shipped to the site. That gives much better confidence in both design and quality control and factory assembly of this thing, rather than on-site construction.
We are providing them basically an app on the cloud. It's a vendor-independent solution. Our customers can use any type of genset controller that they want to use. We offer them one simple interface to all their generators of different types of brands. So we can collect data. Customers can receive alarms via email, SMS messages if something happens to their site, to the genset controller, and then get the notification on that. Everything is web-based, so you can access the information using your iPad or mobile phone to get instantaneous information from your generator.
The new technologies we developed in Bentley is more or less GIS for water utilities, which is improving efficiency of water utilities and also targeting information management and information modeling. For example, here you can see the Bentley Navigator for iPad, while developing 3D model about any assets, informations. You could have an augmented reality type of application while walking with your mobile phone or iPad. You could navigate through and visualize where is the infrastructure withstanding with your mobile device, in fact.
As a company, we offer a manufacturing service where we're part of the OEM supply chain, but specifically what we want to target here is end user applications and refurbishment services. So during the outage, the overhauls, we take the bearings, we reprocess them, remachine them, and give them back to the end users. Well, last year we just opened up a new facility in Dubai. This is really part of our strategy to service this region. We can't send everything back to Europe for servicing, so our new facility should provide a local service for all the GCC countries to provide repair, manufacture, and the technical support as well that they need in the field.
I think what we've seen in the technical sessions, particularly this year, is an emphasis on operational flexibility. That means operating plants efficiently, but more flexibly in order to cope with variations in load, particularly if we're going to see more renewable energy come onto the system, which I guess in the long run is going to happen even in this region. Some of the other interesting sessions, of course, have been on the gas turbine technology. We had 2 complete sessions there, and everybody in this region is interested to know what the latest advancements in gas turbine technology are, and we've had the major manufacturers presenting their latest technologies here. So everybody's now completely up to date with the latest technologies. Our delegates have really enjoyed this conference facility, and there's been a great deal of worthwhile networking. I think they're going to come back here in 12 months' time with renewed enthusiasm, and we're going to put together an interesting conference program for them back here in Qatar in 2013.
It's been a real honour for Penwell to be staging only the 2nd event to take place in this really beautiful new facility. And all the exhibitors and staff here have said it's great to work here. It's a fantastic place. Also, we've seen a 30% increase in year-on-year attendance, which is gratifying. And we aim to keep building on that because we're coming back to Qatar next year, and we look at deepening our relationships with His Excellency, the Minister of Energy, who graced us with his presence at our keynote, and also deepening our working together with Karama and QEWC, who have been our major partners here.